Airtable just launched a mind-blowing new feature called Airtable AI Numbers. You get to use AI in number fields within Airtable. This can be super powerful because you can now do actual analysis directly within your Airtable spreadsheet. So in this video, let me very quickly show you how you can use this new AI field within Airtable so you can implement it yourself. So imagine you've got an SEO Airtable that's tracking all of your pages that you want to rank for in Google and exactly how many page views those pages have gotten. So here I've got a row with a page and then a column with the number of page views it's gotten in January and then February. What I might want to do is try to get a sense of how the page is tracking for the end of February. Today is only the middle of the month. I want to know quickly, is this going to surpass January's view count? Is it not? Where am I at? And so I can make some better decisions. With Airtable's new AI number field, you can do exactly this. And the way it works is you come up here and hit this little plus and just search for number like you would normally. But this time you're going to see a new AI toggle here that's generate values with AI. And like their other AI fields, you can just type in a prompt and I'll go ahead and pop this one in here. Now what I'm telling this prompt to do, just as an example, is to say, imagine you're a data analyst that's great at forecasting SEO pages. I want you to look at the number of page views in January and look at the number of page views in February, take into account what day it is today, and make a guess at what the page views will be in February at the end of the month. Once I create that field, just like all these other ones, I can customize it here. I probably want this to round to the nearest whole number. And I can also just set this to only have 0 decimal places and create that field. Now, once that's created, I might need to refresh my page here, and you'll see this little generate button. I can click this here. Airtable AI will work its magic. And now I can get a sense from Airtable of how many page views there are going to be in February. And you can see there's a little bit of a bugginess on Airtable's side here. It's a little slower, but there it is. So let's do this with the other ones. Let's also rename this at the same time to projected February views and save. And there we go. So you can very quickly with AI start to spin up smart number fields. This goes way beyond formula fields. All you have to do now is just type in a couple prompts, and now AI will take over and do really cool stuff like this. Of course, if you ever want to connect this new Airtable AI number field to other apps like Supabase, HubSpot, or Webflow, you can use Whalesync for that. Whalesync lets you set up a two-way sync between Airtable and Supabase and a bunch of other tools.